But also, I'm from the Netherlands, so perhaps it's also Dutch.
Oh, I couldn't tell. But then again, Netherlands, like Dutch, sounds like fake English. Really? That's why you speak good. Yeah, but
Little drum set, homie. You could go take this and jam out everywhere. Oh, it sounds nice. Nice. Ooh, look at that snare. Ooh, look at those purple. Oh, nice. Hello, gentlemen. Ooh. Oh, this is beautiful.
Titanium.
Titanium? What they use on the space shuttles?
Rosewood. Full rosewood.
Full rosewood. Man. I love when they sound like this. Oh.
Totally different than maple.
Oh, maple?
Yeah.
Okay.
a little bit.
You hear the difference? More punch. This more low end. Warm. I tune them the same.
I love the way you tune them.
Yeah.
Wow. Dude, oh, you can see the inside. Look at the inside. Eee, this snare must sound killer. Because it's like, you know, there's brass and copper. So they're doing titanium.
Look at this. We call this wood burning. So what we do here water and mix with water and soda. And we put 2 screws in here. And we do crocodile clips on it with electricity. And then you get a burning. So this is called wood burning. And sometimes you see the scratches, you can feel it, it's burning. And when the shell is finished, you get this one. So the lightning is blue in this case.
Nice.
You see?
Beautiful.
And it started all with the wood burning.
It looks like lightning.
It's lightning.
And it looks like plant roots.
Yeah. If you go to YouTube and you fill in Dixon ash shell wood burning, you're gonna find the right video. And then you see the burning.
Wow.
Cool, huh?
So it's laser technology.
Yeah. No, it's an old-fashioned way with electricity. With
Oh,
water
it's
and
electricity.
soda. Yeah, I don't know how many
Oh.
volts, but we do 2 screws here with crocodile clips and with water and soda, and then you see the burning.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No. But the thing is that
Oh, it's a beautiful drum. It's all wooden. Oh yeah, the wooden hoops.
I kind of need to be proactive and make sure I strike a good
Music. Oh wow, sounds beautiful. Yeah, these sound really nice, man. I'm sorry, man. Oh look, these have handles. I never seen these. That's super smart, man. Does the floor tom have it? Oh no, the floor tom doesn't have it. But look, handles for your toms. All right, my peeps. Let's continue walking. Hello, everybody. Last day of Namm. Please make the effort to be here next year, because it was a close call this year due to the fires. Thank goodness we're all here, so making history. All right, everybody. Peace, love, and health.